Yes, it's here. Finally. Hey, 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 hey.
Okay.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you doing? I'm so excited this evening because I just got my laptop, I just got my MacBook, and I'm so excited. Like, if you know what I've been going through, like, I traveled without a laptop, and I've been trying to order a laptop since I was in Nigeria, and each time I try, it's either my card is not working, my card is not accepted, and at the point of payment, my card will not be accepted. I'm like, God, what's going on? So I had to travel all the way without a laptop. Hey, God. I came here and the laptop I wanted to buy wasn't available in the whole of London. Excuse me? Hey, God. Drama. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, my name is Good, and if you get to subscribe to this channel, you should do that. You should actually subscribe to my channel because it's so exciting. I share fun stuff here, career advancements, personal development, and lifestyle as well. So I can't even wait. Like, I need to rush and open this thing. I just got it this evening. So this is what even happened though. So because I couldn't order it in Nigeria, I was like, okay, when I come in from the airport, I can go straight to an Apple store and just buy one, because I was told that notwithstanding the fact that my card cannot work online, when I come into London, my card will be able to work in their in their POS and all of that. So I was like, okay, that's fine. I came into London. I was like, okay, I'll go to an Apple store. But the cab guy that took me from the airport to my accommodation was really reluctant, taking me to an Apple store. There was no Apple store at the airport, and it seemed like the Apple stores available were far away. And then the Apple store close to my accommodation. I called them and they said they did not have, the MacBook that I wanted to buy. And I was like, okay, maybe on Monday. So on Monday, I kept on sending emails to, their agents, I know I'm so excited. I can't even wait to open it. Anyways, long and short of the story is that the one I wanted was not available in London. And they told me that to get it, I must wait till October 20th. Like, seriously, I have online classes. I need to log into my studies. I need to attend online lectures, and you're telling me I have to wait till 20th October? Damn it. So what even happened? So I had to ask them, which one do you guys have? They said they had a higher version. With my money, with my little money, how much do I have to go and start buying stuff worth thousands of pounds? Anyways, the long and short of the story is that I ended up ordering the laptop. I ordered it yesterday and it just arrived today. It just arrived today. I can't even wait. I don't know. Okay, so I'll just take you guys to it. Let's unbox this laptop together. Let's unbox it together. Stay tuned, don't go away. Stay tuned, don't go away. Let me start from this box, okay? I don't actually know what's here. I used the student discount, so oh my god, I'm probably going to drop the specification of the laptop at the description box. So like I said, I used the student discount, so it came with free AirPods and it was actually discounted. Okay, so I have to take it easy because I know I'm really excited. This is my my magic mouse too. Can you see? Oops, you can't see. But this is the free app. It came with the free AirPod. Actually, it was discount. Okay, was it free? So when you buy a MacBook with student discounts, they give you a free AirPod. But then it depends on they give you the base AirPod whatever. But because I wanted an AirPod with the wireless charging, okay, the one they will give you free is the AirPod with the normal AirPod that has the normal charging port and the rest of it. So I had to pay like £40 to get this one discounted. This is the AirPod with wireless charging. See that? See that? Okay. And this is the USB-C adapter. If, like now, if I want to transfer something from a flash drive to my laptop, there's no port for it. There's no port for it in the MacBook, so I had to buy a USB-C adapter. Because when you buy a USB-C adapter, you just plug it in your laptop and then you plug your flash drive and you will find it. Should I open it? Oh my god, I'm so excited. Like, where do I start from? This hair should allow me. This is my AirPod. Okay, so that's it. Welcome. Yes, so that is the AirPod. And let's open the mouse. How much is this mouse again? This mouse was like, how much? I'll probably drop the prices down there. If you're interested, you can ask me for the price in the comment section. If you want to know the price, if you ask me that in the comment section. Yep. Body's shaking. This is the Magic Mouse 2. It's really magical. It has the grey and the silver. I love silver, so basically that's for silver. Okay, so there's oh my god, this is a charger in here. Okay, yeah, we charge it here. That's the charger. So that's the charger in there. It's gonna be hot. It's gonna be hot. I'm just going to scatter my bed like this. Let's oh god, this laptop, like, I've been looking for it like forever. Like ever. Yes. Okay. So I ordered for a MacBook Pro 13 inches. This is my hair. Maybe I should just tie it down. MacBook Pro 13 inches. If you want to know the version, you can ask in the comment section. But if I tell you that I ordered something from an Apple store, you should know what it is. You guys don't mind me, I'm so dramatic right now. I feel like crying. It's my laughter. That's it. Yep. Okay, so it's here now. I don't like bulky laptops. That is why I ordered for the 13-inch Pro. And then sorry, am I saying 13-inch Pro? I don't like bulky laptops. That's why I ordered for the 13 inches. This is the MacBook Pro 13 inches and 2020 version. Oh shit! Oh shit! So what's gonna happen is that I just wanted us to unbox it together. I wanted us to unbox it together. I wouldn't want this video to be so long, so to put it on for you guys to see. Oh, it came on its own. I didn't have to touch anything. It came on its own. I didn't have to touch anything. So this has the magic keyboard. Yeah. Oh my god. So it's asking me for the language. I'm just going to select.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
Press the return key to use English as the main language. Press the return key. Okay, so I'll just leave it to set. I'm just going to, do everything, set it up, and start to use it. So it has a magic keyboard. It has this is actually 512 gigabyte storage and 16 gigabyte RAM. It Core i5, the processing unit. It's Core i5. So many things to this laptop. Seriously, I actually really wanted to use the laptop so that I could use it to edit my videos, because I really need to start editing my videos on my laptop, because I used to edit my videos on my phone and it really ran down my phone battery. It made my phone weak. So guys, I would have liked to continue, and then catch you guys later. Thank you for staying tuned. Thank you for staying tuned. So I'm just going to go off and continue setting up my laptop so I can start using it. Okay. Bye guys.